Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Gmail AI filters and automation rules, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Gmail on your computer. Log into your account if you haven't already. In the top right corner, click on the gear icon. Select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here, you will find a list of all your existing filters. To restore a filter, look for the filter you want to activate again. If a filter is inactive, it may need to be recreated. To create a new filter, click on Create a new filter. In the pop-up window, enter the criteria for the filter. This could include specific email addresses or keywords. Once you've set your criteria, click on Create Filter. Now, choose the actions you'd like Gmail to take for these emails. Options include marking as read, applying a label, or forwarding emails. After selecting your actions, click on Create Filter again to save it. To check your automation rules, return to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Review the active filters to ensure they are set up correctly. If any filters are missing or incorrect, you can edit or delete them. To edit a filter, click on Edit next to the filter you wish to change. Make your adjustments and click Continue, then Update Filter. For deleted filters, unfortunately, they cannot be restored. You will need to recreate them manually using the steps provided. Once you've configured everything, test your filters by sending a test email. This ensures that the filters work as expected. Keep your filters organized for better email management. Regularly revisit your filter settings to accommodate any changes in your needs. With these steps, you can effectively restore and manage your Gmail AI filters and automation rules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.